Now what kind of shit is this, man? Only in America. Here we go, right on. When you get to the islands, you're gonna get on with your shook. Bam! Bam! Let me see your shook. Bam! Bam! No, that's a white thing. Hold it up, sexy. Put your hands up. Squat. One time. Bam! Bam! Excuse me.
Ele tá vendo se eu tô gravando.
Let me hear you say Uba, Uba. Time to bleed. Nobody move. Hold it. Chicken leg. Come here.
Chicken leg.
Sit right here. England, don't move. Take this shit off your head. Ladies and gentlemen, let's close the show. Here we go. All right, baby. Some like it hot. Keep me warm. White line, come on. White line. M&M, vanilla ice. Hey, Telemundo, Pakistan, white line. Let's go. Excuse me, back with the white line. White line! Look like my ex-wife. One more time, talk to me. I'm alright. Make me feel good. Let me hear you say Uba, Uba.
Uba, Uba.
Ow! The big one right there, boy.
Jump up and down.
Ow! Uba, Uba! Ow, ow! Time to bleed. Bring the chair. Bring the goddamn chair. Backward. Turn around. Hold it, move. Stay moved. Come on, guys. Come on. All right, England. Here we go, baby. Come on. Oh, shit. Don't try this at home. Chicken leg. Check this out. Put your left knee right here, please. English, left knee, right here. Right here, sir. English. Right here. Come in some more. Behind your back, your whole chair. Today is your lucky day. A new man in your life. You're going to Brazil, baby. Sugar daddy. Put that shit on tape. That's your man for 2 minutes, okay? Brazil, 2 minutes, man. No problem. Your wife here with you? No. Hey, go with the flow. It's alright, it's just a movie. Action. Keep him down. Who there? Keep him down, he don't wear much. Yeah. I've been here before. Yes, I'm retired. This is my pension. No, you know. Yeah. Nobody knows the trouble I see. All right, baby, let's take it home. Right here. Give me some room. Right on. I don't want to mess up your hair, dude. Hey, Jackie Chan, what's up? Hold it, man.
Head first.
If you want me to jump, let me hear you say, yeah!
Yeah!
Oh, shit, okay. They want me to jump, let's get nasty. Oh, yeah! I like it like that. Ladies and gentlemen, the black box is for donation, not information. Let your conscience be your guide. This is what I do for a living. I'll give you a good show. Give me some love. I can hear you. Thank you. I might need bandits. I make you laugh for 12 minutes. I would like to see 5, 10, 20. Think about it. This is my life. When I get through here, please don't walk away. Give something back. Kids, tell mommy and daddy to give you $1. Chicken legs, let's go. Hold your man, choke it down. Hold it here. Keep him. One more time. Check it. Let me hear you. Uba. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my show. Leave me a tip before you go. Hey, come back here. Then walk away and give me shit. Come on, man. Shame on you. Thank you. Take your time. Thank you. $5. Thank you, white people. Thank you, black people.
Yay, chicken legs.